Have a seat, Marcus.
Look, I don't know what this is about. I haven't done anything.
We know, Marcus. We know everything. Don't play dumb with me.
That's not... It was just a walk-in. A trim.
A trim. You call this a trim? You made a promise. An oath to your barber. You swore you'd never let another blade touch that hair.
He was on vacation for 2 weeks. I had a wedding to go to.
A wedding. You broke a sacred bond for a piece of cake and the chicken dance.
Desperate men do desperate things. The betrayal stands.
Your sentence is a lifetime of watching hair tutorials of the Salon Guy on YouTube.
No!